Finalize your order. Now that you have purchased your car and you have already uploaded the payment receipt, it's time to complete the next step. Go to your profile, check the tab which says completed, and select the car that you want to go forward. The bill of lading is the document that you will need in order to custom clear your car. When your car arrives at your country, you need these documents so you can present it at the port or the customs authorities so you can receive your car. Make sure that the information displayed on the BL is correct and it's exactly what it's in your documentation. And also, if there is some issue that you want to modify, you can always request a change to the documentation by submitting a request for changes. Once the BL is confirmed, this is final and the BL is going to be sent to you via DHL mail. Shipping information will display the current available date and information of the way that your car is going to be shipped. Most important, you will see the document delivery address area, where you need to make sure that the information for your address and name are correct so you can receive the document or bill of lading that we just showed you earlier. Now let's go one more time on the process to finalize your order. First, open your account and check your profile. Select the completed section and choose the car you want to check. Then, confirm all the information in the BL by making sure that the information is correct, or if not, you can make a request to change it. Then, make sure the information of the shipping address for the documentation is available and is correct for you. And then, when you complete it, check all the remarks and tell to your customer support staff that everything is ready and is good to go. Now, all you have to do is sit and wait for your car to arrive. For any other questions, you can always ask our staff. We're always here to help you. Thank you.